everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, meet the future of road trips. This is the 2025 Tesla Motorhome. Sleek, smart, and fully electric, it's Tesla's bold step into the RV world. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time vanlifer, this all-electric home on wheels is turning heads for all the right reasons. At first glance, the Tesla Motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its aerodynamic silhouette, panoramic windshield, and sharp LED lighting signature, it carries Tesla's design DNA while completely redefining what a motorhome can look like. Inside, it's minimalist luxury meets functional design. The cockpit feels like a Tesla Model X on steroids, futuristic controls, a yoke-style steering wheel, and a massive 17-inch infotainment touchscreen with full self-driving capabilities included standard. Yes, this motorhome can drive, park, and even navigate highways autonomously, letting you relax and enjoy the view, or plan your next destination. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you've got Tesla's latest generation structural battery pack, offering up to 500 miles of range on a single charge. And thanks to dual-motor all-wheel drive, it's no slouch, 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Not bad for a house on wheels. But performance isn't just about speed. The roof is fully equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, generating up to 2 kilowatts of power, enough to keep your essentials running off-grid. And with bidirectional charging, the Tesla Motorhome can even power your home during an outage. Inside the living space, Tesla went all in on smart modular design. The lounge area transforms into a queen-sized bed with memory foam, and hidden compartments offer storage galore. The kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, smart fridge, filtered water system, and even a voice-controlled espresso machine, because, priorities. There's a full wet bath with a water-saving smart shower, plus a composting toilet and a gray water recycling system. All of it managed from the integrated Tesla Home app. Yes, you can adjust your climate, lights, and battery levels right from your phone or smartwatch. Whether you're a solo traveler or a family of 4, the Tesla Motorhome adapts. Sleeping space. Check. Workspace with Starlink connectivity. Yep. Outdoor cooking station and gear storage? Absolutely. Starting at an estimated $120,000, the 2025 Tesla Motorhome isn't cheap, but it's not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a serious game-changer for electric travel. Off-grid adventure just got a whole lot smarter. This is the Tesla Motorhome. Ready when you are. Let me know if you want this script adapted for a specific format, like YouTube, a product promo, or influencer review.